students. I am your maths teacher Begum. I hope that you are enjoying your holidays with fun. Knowledge also necessary with fun. Now we are going to discuss about basic concept of algebra. The word algebra is derived from Arabic word al-jabra. Al means that, jabra means restoration of broken parts. Algebraic expression is a main concept in algebra. Next we move to the definition of algebraic expression. A combination of constant, variable, connected by mathematical operation is called algebraic expression. Before going to example, we want to know what is constant and what is variable. Constant means fixed numerical value. Example 1, 2, 3, etc. The value of 1 is fixed. Wherever we go, the value of 1 is fixed. Variable. Variable means different numerical value. It is denoted by the letter, alphabetical letter, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, etc. The value of variable is different. In one sum, the X value is 1. In another sum, it may be 1000, lakh, etc. So, the variable value is different. Constant variable value is fixed. Now, let us see the topic term. A term is either a single number like 3, 4, etc. or variable like x, y, etc. or number and variable multiplied together like 3xy, 4x square, etc. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Example 7x minus 3y. In this expression, 7 a number, x is a variable, 7 and x are multiplied together, 3 and y are multiplied together, separated, both the terms are separated by the sign minus. Next we move to the concept map. 5x square plus 8xy minus 9y square. It is an algebraic expression. Already you know. How many terms are there? Yes, you are right. 5x square, 8xy minus 9y square. Totally 3 terms are there. Term 1 5x square, term 2 8xy, then term 3 minus 9y square. In this term 1, 5x and x are factors. In term 2, x, 8, y are factors. In term 3, minus 9, y and y are factors. Next, let us move on the topic coefficient. Any of the factor of a term is called the coefficient of the product of the remaining factor. For example, in this term 7x and y, 7 is the coefficient of xy, x is the coefficient of 7y, y is the coefficient of 7x. Next, coefficient is divided into two types, numerical coefficient and literal coefficient. Numerical coefficient. The numerical part of an algebraic term is called numerical coefficient. The variable part of an algebraic term is called literal coefficient. Numerical coefficient is also called constant coefficient. Literal coefficient is also called variable coefficient. For example, in this term minus 9x, minus 9 is the constant coefficient, numerical coefficient. X is the literal coefficient or variable coefficient. Students, now we are going to see the types of an algebraic expression. First monomial, second binomial, third trinomial, then polynomial. Monomial means expression having single term. For example, 3a 7z minus 4y square. Binomial means expression having two terms. For example, 7x minus y, 4y square minus 3. Trinomial means expression having three terms. For example, 3x plus 4y minus 2, 5z minus 9y plus 3b. Polynomial. Polynomial means expression having more than 3 terms. For example, 4x cube plus 2y square plus 3z plus 7. Now let's see degree of the polynomials. The degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable present in the polynomial. For example, 2x cube minus xy plus 9y square is a polynomial in two variables x and y. Let's see sum of the power of the variables. In term 1, variable is x, its power is 3. In term 2, two variables are there, x and y. So you want to add the power, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In term 3, the variable is y, its power is 2. So in this 3 term, highest power is 3. Therefore, degree of the polynomial in this algebraic expression is 3. Now we are moving on to the practical session. Let us see addition of two algebraic expression, 7x plus 5y, 2x plus 3y. These algebraic expression can be solved by horizontal and vertical method. First we see horizontal method, 7x plus 5y plus 2x plus 3y. Here 7x and 2x have same variable. So you want to add these two. 7 plus 2 is equal to, yes, very good, 9. So 9x. In the same way, you want to add 5y and 3y. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 8y. So answer of this expression is 9x plus 8y. In this vertical method, you want to write this algebraic expression in vertical form. Here you add 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 8y. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So 9x. So the solution of this algebraic expression is 9x plus 8y. Before concluding the session, let's see quick recap. 7x. In this algebraic expression, which is constant? Yes, you are right, 7. Which is variable? Yes, x is the variable. In this algebraic expression, how many terms are there? Yes, 2 terms are there. What are they? 3x and y. Very good. Next, in this algebraic expression, which is the degree of the polynomial? Yes, you are right. 2 is the degree of the polynomial. I hope this class was useful to you. I will continue the remaining part in my next class. Be safe, stay at home, follow social distancing. Thank you, my dear students.